Good afternoon, dear learners. Today fi- we'll learn how to find degree of freedom. Degree of freedom ಅಲ್ಲಿ F equal to C minus P plus 2. ಇದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೇಸಸ್. ಎಫ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2. ಎಫ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಯನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿಯನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸಿ. ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Component is the minimum number of molecular species required to define the system. It is the minimum number of molecular species required to define the system. For example, we'll take a system ice, which is in equilibrium with water, which is in equilibrium with vapor. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆರ್, ವೇರ್ ಎಸ್ is the constituent. S is constituent. In this there are three constituents: I, water, vapor. Hence S will be 3. And what is R? R refers to equilibrium or number of ions or any condition. If there is any condition like concentration are equal or concentration of one is more than the other, concentration is half the other, any condition if it is there, it counts in R. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಮ್ ಉಂಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಮ್ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ 1 and 2, ಸೊ minus 2. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿರುವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದು, ವೇರ್ ಸಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಸ್. ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್, ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್, ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ equilibrium or ions. It is the number of equilibrium ions or any condition which is there in the given equation, chemical equation. We have found the components. Next we have to find number of phases. P stands for phases. Phases is nothing but it is homogeneous, physically distinct, mechanically separable. It is a part of the system. Which is homogeneous, physically distinct and mechanically separable. We'll take some examples like rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur is in equilibrium with sulfur vapor. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಫೇಸಸ್ P equal to 1, 2, 3. These are all different allotropes of sulfur. So number of phases will be 3. ಈಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ P will be equal to number of solids present in the mixture. Solid mixture ಇದ್ದರೆ number of solid ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ number will be the phases. Same number will be the phases. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇದೆ. Liquids. In liquids there are two kinds of liquids: miscible liquid, immiscible liquid. Miscible liquid equal to phase 1. For example, alcohol plus water. Alcohol will dissolve in water and it will form one phase. But if we take oil and water in a container, so here will be the water and here there will be oil, so there will be two phases. So if it is miscible liquid, the phase will be 1. If it is immiscible liquid, the phase will be 2. Similarly, gases. Number of phases will be, ಈಗ mixture of gases ಇದೆ. Gases, can you separate them mechanically? No. So number of phases in a gas mixture will always be 1. So what did we see? If it is solid ಆದರೆ solid mixture ಆದರೆ phase equal to number of solids. Liquid ಆದರೆ it depends on whether it is miscible or immiscible. If it is miscible, phase will be 1. If it is immiscible, phase will be 2. And coming to the gases only, phase will always be equal to 1. Okay. Now let us take the example. To find the degree of freedom, we'll take a question. Find the degree of freedom sulfur atomic, sulfur monoclinic and sulfur vapor. What is the degree of freedom? Now we know the formula. Degree of freedom is F equal to C minus P plus 2. Now in the equation, what is C? C is number of components C equal to S minus R. What is S? 1, 2, 3. So constituents are 3. What is R? R is 2 equilibriums are there, so R will be 2. So the component will be 1. Now coming to the phases. So this is a solid, and this is vapor. So there will be 3 phases. If there are solids, it will be equal to number of phases equal to number of solids, right? Number of solids will be 2 and one more vapor is there, so total there will be 3 phases. Now coming to the degree of freedom, we have seen component is 1 and phases is 3 plus 2, so 3 minus 3 is 0, so degree of freedom is 0. If you like this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe. Thank you.